Hi guys, it's Kats from kkatz Vegan Kitchen. Welcome to another episode. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button below and notification bell so you're aware when my next videos come out. I am following a whole food plant-based diet. I have currently have lost 55 pounds eating this way on the Starch Solution. So if you are interested in following a vegan diet, a whole food plant-based diet, or just dieting in general, and want to learn more about how I lost 55 pounds, please subscribe below. I want to thank all my new subscribers and my existing subscribers, and one special thank you to Katie from Highway to Healthy for helping me get so many more views, and also new subscribers that came from her channel. So welcome everybody. I'll have her information below so that you can follow along and share the love her way as well if you haven't subscribed to her yet. So, you guys have requested my black beans in the Instapot. If you guys do not have an Instapot, it's one investment that I suggest you speak to your husband, your wife, your partner, your parents, whoever it is that is buying you a Christmas gift this year. Ask for an Instapot or iPot, whatever you want to call it. It's called an Instant Pot, but I say Instapot. Other people call it iPots, pressure cooker, whatever you want to call it. It is a must, and this recipe is so easy, super delicious, and straightforward. Keep on watching the video and let's get into it. We are going to start with soaked overnight beans that are washed and clean. We're going to go to saute, and we're going to saute some onions and garlic until they're translucent and fragrant. And you can skip this part if you want, but I like doing it just because I love the way that it releases flavor pre-cooking, I guess, as well as I like how it smells in the house. So that's why I do it. Once I get everything nice and incorporated, I add in the pre-soaked beans, and then we start adding the fun. So I stir everything in just to make sure all the onions are nice and covered throughout. We add some smoked paprika, some chili flakes, more garlic, of course, garlic powder. We add in some ground cumin, some parsley flakes, garam masala, and black pepper. I do not add salt during the cooking process. That's really important. Just give everything a good stir, and I add in a little bit of tomato paste, very tiny, just for some more added flavor, and stir that in. I add 2 cups of water. That is all the liquid that you need. You do not need to add more unless you want more sauce, but trust me, it's enough as long as it covers the beans. We're going to put the lid on and make sure it goes from venting to sealing. Sealing's important. That's what's going to give your pressure cook time. So we go to manual, and I'm going to adjust it and cook it for 30 minutes. The reason I cook it for 30 minutes is I like how tender it becomes. You could do less time, like 20. Once it gets to pressure, it will go to on. Then it will go to a countdown mode of your Instapot. Once it gets to the end, it will go into warming mode, and it will count up. We want to naturally release for 10 minutes. Then I want to vent the remaining steam inside, so either your finger or a wooden stick or your pot spoon, and turn it to venting. Once that pin drops like it did there, you are able to open the lid. Be careful, it is hot. If you look inside, it looks like there's not enough liquid, but look, there's the magic. Perfectly cooked beans, wonderful, super soft. Like I said before, you can do 20 minutes. I've heard people do 15. It depends on how tender. I like them super tender, so I do 30. Completely up to you, and serve it the way you want. Put it with a side of rice and my 50-50 plate. Added some green beans on the side, and this is absolutely delicious. Guys, it's a must try. guys, here's a finished dish. Black beans and rice with some green beans on the side. This sauce is so thick and so good. Let's give it a try. Gotta mix it together. That's how I like it. Very hot. The flavors are great. You can add sriracha sauce to this. I'm going to be adding my side of barbecue ribs. Yes, that's what I said. Just like this. Throw it in here. Watch the video tomorrow so you can see how these barbecue ribs are made. They are amazing. Look at this. Glorious. So good, guys. You have to try this out. Follow me on Instagram at kkatz vegan kitchen, as well as on YouTube at kkatz vegan kitchen. I'll see you next time. Bye. Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you for staying until the end. Thank you to everybody once again. Thank you, Katie. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. In the next video, I did do a teaser, didn't I, on those ribs? Vegan ribs, without seitan, without fake meats, out of mushrooms. It's crazy. It turned out perfectly. Tomorrow it will be posted for you because I know you guys want to see that. And it's delicious. Oh my goodness. I can't say more. You have to watch the video so you can see how to make it yourself. So just want to say, oh, I forgot something. In my recipe video, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but if I didn't, I'm mentioning it now. I add salt at the end of the dish, and the reason I add salt at the end, because if you add salt during your cooking when your beans are not already cooked, like when you make it from in a can and you're making the dish separately, you can use canned beans. If you do that, you can add salt at that time. But because we're making it from fresh and they have never been cooked, if you add salt during your time on a pressure cooker or even on the stove, it will stall your beans. The outer shell will become hard and the bean inside is like tough and it doesn't work out. Trust me, I've done that mistake, okay? So I'm helping you guys out so that you don't have that happen to you and waste all those wonderful beans. But that is it. Super easy, super delicious. You guys have to try this recipe. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. And remember always, one life, one love, one purpose. Go out and do you today and never let anybody stop you from your dreams and what you want to accomplish. And good luck to everybody on their weight loss journey, and continue to follow mine. And don't forget to subscribe to me here as well on Instagram at kkatz vegan kitchen. Thanks everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye.